Hi Year 5s, it's Mr Steen here. I hope you're all doing okay and keeping safe. We're going to have a look at understanding percentages. I'm just going to give you a quick recap on how we do that. And then each day during the week I'll put a new video on. So, where do we start with percents? Well, we have the symbol for percent. And there's a big clue in the symbol as to what it means. If I take the line out and put it there, and then I take out the 2 zeros and put them there, we get 100, because percents, per means out of, and cents, I can hear you all shouting it now, means 100. So percent means out of 100. So we always split whatever amount it is into 100 equal parts, and that is percent. Okay, so if I get a rubber and we rub this out, let's move on. Right, so let's just think about 100 square. So in this square I have 100 pieces, 100 pieces. And I need to think, right, what would that be in percent? Well, if there's 100 there, we would say that was 100%. So the whole thing is 100%. 100%, one whole. You could say 1 out of 1. There are lots of ways of saying 100%. So if I then shade it in, half, and come over this side, what percentage would be equivalent to a half? Well, it's going to be half of 100, which is 50%. There are a couple more really easy ones to remember. If I take half of 50%, which would be that segment there, that would be a quarter. Half of 50, 25. So a whole lot, 100. Half is equivalent to 50%, a quarter is equivalent to 25%, 3 quarters is equivalent to 75%. So we've got 25% is a quarter, 50% half, 75% 3 quarters, 100% a whole one. So, let's go to our bar model friends, because we do love bar modelling, don't we? You all remember bar models? And I'm going to split this into 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 equal pieces. So, the whole thing all together, the whole bar, would be 100%, because one whole, 100%. So, what would each segment be worth? Well, it's 100%, and I'm going to divide that by 10, because there are 10 equally sized segments, And what would I get? 100 divided by 10. Each segment is going to be worth 10%. So that's 10%. Another 10%. So it's just like dividing by 10 and dividing by 100. So if I had 2 blocks together, that would be 20%. If I had 3 blocks, that would be 30%, 40%, 50%, 60%, 70%, 80%, 90%, 100%. Okay, now, one more thing that you might come across on the first set of work is a bar model. But I'm going to divide it to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then they've already coloured it in for you. They've coloured in a certain number of segments. Now some aren't too bad, like that one, and they might say, is this 30%? Well, how many are coloured in out of 10? Well, there's 4 coloured in out of 10. And 4/10, 40%. So, is this 30%? No. There's one other tricky one you might come across. Bar model. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then they've done, if I did that, what would that be in percentage? Well, we've got 10% there, 1/10. We've got 10% there, that's 2/10. And then this is half coloured in. Half of 10 is 5. And then we could add those up, and what do we get? 25%. So really, it's dividing things by 10 if there's 10 segments. Divided by 100 if there's 100 segments. And that's just about it. There's a couple of questions about money, but we're using pounds, and £1, 100 pence. So it shouldn't be too bad. And I'll see you in some more videos tomorrow. But bye for now.